YouTube and grinded Seagull.
Good. Respectable.
Hell yeah, bro. Majorly respectable.
Wait a minute, my mic's on. Okay, I guess I'll talk for this video. Alright, well, as you can see, we're playing Bird Game 3.
Get to it, privates!
And, obviously I'm playing Hummingbird.
Our team has an egg. Get it home! Egg carrier spotted! Take them down! You've caught their egg! Now get it home! The enemy has our egg! Bring them down!
Our team's not doing so hot right now. That's okay. It's okay.
They're stockpiling eggs! Stop them! They're one egg from what they've got our egg! Get it back!
These pigeon holes.
Enemy streak! Shut them down! Our egg's down! Get it back! You got their egg! Now get it home!
Dang it.
The enemy team need one more to win! Do not let that happen! You caught their egg! Now get it home!
Dang it.
We have been defeated. Not surprised.
That happens to the best of us. Happens to the best of us. Let's see here. Here's how it is. Maybe I use Shuba.
Get the eggs and get out! Defend the nest, you absolute clowns! You got their egg! Now get it home!
Dang it. No, but Shuba takes skill, so.
Our team has an egg. Get it home!
Dang it, someone dashes this way.
They've got our egg! Get it back! Hostile T's are in play. Keep your distance. stockpiling eggs! Stop them! You caught their egg! Now get it home! Enemy has our egg! Bring them down!
Yo, I just got jumped by 15 people.
They grabbed an egg! Intercept!
They got our egg.
They've got our egg! Get it back! Hostile Eagle missile inbound! Take cover!
Okay.
Enemy streak! Shut them down! Our egg's down! Get it back! You caught their egg! Now get it home!
Dang, I think we're losing this game.
They've got our egg! Get it back! You caught their egg! Now get it home! They're stockpiling it! 3 minutes remaining! They've got our egg! Get it back! Enemy streak! Shut them down! Defend them! You've got an egg! Go, go, go! They're 1 egg from winning! Stop them! You caught their egg! Now get it home! The enemy has our egg! Bring them down! Enemy streak! Shut them down!
Look, you can't let them win.
The enemy team need 1 more to win! Do not let that happen! Incoming Guano! Move now! They've got our egg! Get it back!
Oh crap, this guy has our egg.
Oh, we have been defeated. I'm not surprised.
Dang, 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 dang. But at least you can say I tried. Alright, I think that's going to be it for this video. I know it's a pretty short one, but see you later, guys.